Alright, they have this Breeze 4K getting started. Charge the battery for optimal performance. We recommend fully charging your battery before taking flight. Download the app. It's the Breeze Cam app. Prepare your Breeze for takeoff. Install the propeller protectors, the battery. Unfold the landing gear. Connect to Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi setting on your phone will come up as Breeze, and the password is 123456789 Update your Breeze. Go outside to an open area. Do not test your Breeze inside a closed area. That's what they're telling you. Then you need to calibrate it. What you do is, using your smart device, press this funny little symbol, select drone settings, select compass calibration, and do the compass calibration. After you're done, restart your Breeze. Select flight mode. The best mode for the first time would be the follow me mode, and then take off. And then it says have fun. So make sure whatever you do, you have fun. And then it says post your video to a social like YouTube. So hope this was helpful. They have a US customer support number, 844-898-6332.